We got a short one today. I found a little problem. And there it is. So as you can see almost all the way through this stabilizer bar link, the bushing is completely gone. What I'm going to have to do is take the bolt and nut out of the top that you see right here. They are 16 millimeter for the bolt and the nut. And then there's another one that goes directly into the stabilizer bar on the bottom. That one is a torque to yield, and the new kit did not come with it. Now, because this is under a lot of tension, grab a pry bar and then pry right here in between the lower control arm and that stabilizer bar to relieve that tension to be able to get those bolts out. And here we are. We got it all installed and good to go. I did have to reuse that bottom bolt temporarily because I've got to get a torque to yield for it. Both of these should be torqued to 40 Newton meters and a 90-degree turn. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe if this helped you out.